Hi everyone, I welcome you to my channel Heated on Fire. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make tastiest Peshawari simple yakhni desi murgi pulao. So before getting any delay, let's get started. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do so. This will encourage me to make more easy and quick recipes. So let's go and see what we need. Dry coriander seeds 2 tablespoons, cumin seeds 2 tablespoons, dry red chilies 4, cinnamon stick 2, clove 5 to 6, black cardamom 2, garam masala 3 teaspoon, chaat masala 1 teaspoon, salt 2.5 teaspoon, onion 1, tomato 1, garlic cloves 12 to 3, ginger 2 tablespoon, yogurt half cup, vinegar 1 tablespoon, 1 onion sliced, organic chicken 1 kg, basmati rice half kg, water for chicken stock and cooking rice. Take a deep pan and add onion, tomato, ginger and garlic, then organic chicken and sabat garam masala with salt in it. Fill the pan with enough water and cook it for at least 1 hour. This is because organic chicken takes more time to cook. As you can see, water is boiling and I have already checked that our chicken is well cooked. It took nearly 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now strain off all the chicken stock in another bowl. I have separated chicken, cinnamon stick and black cardamom. Now I am going to blend rest of the masala by adding a little bit of chicken stock. This is ready now. Here I am taking a big pot and adding oil and sliced onion in it. Fry it until golden brown. The onions are well fried. Now I am adding chaat masala and ground garam masala in it. Do not cook it for more than 20 to 30 seconds, otherwise it will be brown or burn. After mixing it 20 to 30 seconds, here I am adding yogurt in it. Here I am using half kg of basmati rice, which is roughly equal to 2 glasses of rice. So rice will take at least 4 glasses of water, out of which 1 glass is chicken stock and rest of it is 3 glasses of water. I have only 1 glass of chicken stock, therefore I am using 3 glasses of water. But if you have 2 glasses of chicken stock, then add 2 glasses of water in it. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Boil the water. Here water is well boiling, therefore I am going to add chicken and soaked rice in it. I have soaked my rice for 30 minutes. Cook it on a medium to high flame and mix it for 2 to 3 times only. Rice is 90% cooked here and a small amount of water is also present in it. So I am going to cover the lid with wet cloths and steaming it for 10 minutes. Alhamdulillah, pulao is well cooked and its aroma is so delicious. I hope you like my recipe, so comment down below if you found any difficulty while cooking pulao or any other dish. Do check out my other recipes. I will meet you with another quick and easy recipe inshallah. Until then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.